All right, we got a special treat today. We're in level 7 and we're going to learn about mixed meter. So we've learned about simple meter and compound meter. Simple meter has beats divided into 2 even parts. Compound meter has beats divided into 3 even parts. Mixed meter is going to mix those two, and it's going to divide them into you'll have different groupings of a beat of 2 and then a beat of 3 eighth notes. Most of the time we see these in eighth notes. Sometimes mixed meter has 16th notes. And the way that the groupings, the beamings of the eighth notes will show you what the grouping is. The eighth note pulse doesn't change though. So we're going to actually crank our metronome up to make the eighth note equal to 140. Okay, that's what we're going to do all these out. We've been doing 70. And the eighth note doesn't change, but where there's long beats that are 3, and so a way to write this is write a triangle for the long beat and a slash for the shorter beat. So like, for example, in this 2 plus 2 plus 3, it's a short beat, 2 eighth note beat, 2 eighth note beat, and then a beat that lasts for 3 eighth notes. So let's just give you an idea of what that sounds like. I'll do the first one. That's the eighth note. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, so we can have 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and these can come in different all kinds of different combinations. The most common you see are 5/8 and 7/8 for these, and 5/8 can be 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So long beat, short beat, or short beat, long beat. And 7/8 can come in 2 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 2, or 3 plus 2 plus 2. And we'll see all these, and I indicate them for you. So the first one, 7/8, is 3 plus 2. Okay? So what you would see, I would connect this in 2, and it would be the first beat is long, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay. Here we go. Let's clap it and count it. Ready? And 7A, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Let's perform it. Ready and go. Da 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 da. Okay. Here is 7B. So it's 2 plus 2 plus 3. This would be conducted in 3, like this. Ready, go. 1. Wait, hold on. These are eighth notes. Sorry. Ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's clap and count 7B. Ready? And here we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 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 and. Let's perform it. Ready? Go. Da 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 da. Okay. So again, we can see that this stays 2 2 3 the whole time, right? Short beat, long beat with 3, short beat, long beat with 3. There are times where they change up the pattern in it. Sometimes it's indicated, like it'll say 3 plus 2, and then it'll say 2 plus 3. But sometimes it doesn't. The way you figure it out is the beaming. You can see that these two are beamed together, and then we have a dotted quarter note. For example, the beams are split here to show you where the beats are. Okay, here we go. Here's 7C, so 2 plus 3 now. So this is in 2. The first beat is the beat that lasts for 2 eighth notes. The second beat lasts for 3 eighth notes. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and ready? Perform. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and da 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 da. And just like when you play like 12/8 or any meter, you really want to emphasize the beat. So just like a slight, like a little mini accent on these da 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 da. Really emphasize where the meter is. Okay, let's do 3 plus 2 plus 2. So our long beat is first, then 2 short beats. 7D, clap and count. Ready, go. 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So you heard me fumble. I usually count these 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. But I think this is a better way and it's more consistent with the way we're learning. So let's do it this way. Let's perform this. Ready? Let me focus this in. Here we go. 1 and 2. I just usually do ready, go. Here we go. Ready, go. Da 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 da. All right, now we have a 3 plus 2. So you can see here we have a dotted quarter note rest. That's going to be one long beat of rest. So 3 plus 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, ready, and it's terrible. It's hard to count out. I usually just do ready, go. Here we go. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Good. This is an equal sign. It should be an and. Okay, let's perform this one. Ready, go. Da 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 da. Good. And usually in these mixed meters, the rhythms don't get too complicated because this is already complicated enough. Now we're going to do 2 plus 3 plus 2. So we have a short beat, a long beat, and then a short beat. 1, 2, 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and yep. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Let's perform it. Ready, go. 1 and da 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 da. Okay. So 7 tests. You're going to identify the grouping. So it's 5/8. So it's either 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. You can check the. Oh, we're not looking at it. It's either 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So check the beamings of the eighth notes or check how this is written and figure that out. And then write in the counting. Everything above is going to help you. So for the composition, I'll do one of these. So you get to choose your own grouping. You can either write let's write 3 plus 2 plus 2. So let's do a 3 2 2 1. You could write it like that, or you could write triangle slash slash. I'm fine with either one. And let's just keep it to quarter notes or dotted quarter notes, eighth notes, and then rests. Okay. So 1. That's my 1 and 3 3. 2 and 3 and. Da 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 da. Okay, and let's make these all eighth notes. So I beam those 3 together because that's my beat with 3. Remember when my stems come down, they come out of the left side. 2 and 3 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and. And let's do a dot and then a rest and 3 and. So 1 and 2 and, we're resting there, 3 and we always want to keep this eighth note pulse going because it is super important for staying in time. And then let's go for the last one. We'll rest right there, and then we'll do 2 and I flipped the stems for some reason. 2 and 3. We're resting on 1 and up. So this rhythm would go. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 off. Okay. When I write these, I usually write the eighth note counting below them because I find that helps. Okay. Here's the ear training. So you're going to write down the rhythm you hear performed. Make sure you group them based on what you hear. I'm actually just going to tell you, this is in 5/8, it's going to be a 2-3 grouping. Ready, go. Okay, here it is sung. Ready, go. Da 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 da. All right, here's each individual measure. Clapped and sung. Here's measure 1. 1. I'll count to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da da da. And here's the clapping. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the second measure. Clapped and then sung. Second measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is sung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da 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 da. Here is the third measure. Clapped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you group those correctly. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da 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 da. And here's the final measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is sung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da da. And here's the whole thing. Pause it, rewind, whatever you need to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is sung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da 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 da. And there's your intro to mixed meter.